Hello everyone, in today's video I am going to show you how to fix Bluetooth not working in Realme 15 Pro. So let's start the video. First of all, swipe down to your control center and here you can see the Bluetooth icon. Now here you can turn on or off your Bluetooth. After turn on or off your Bluetooth, then go back to your home screen and open settings. In settings, scroll down and here you can see the option system and update. Now click on it and then click on backup and reset. Now click on reset phone and here you can see the option reset network and Bluetooth settings. Now click on it and then click on reset. After reset network and Bluetooth settings, then go back to your home screen and restart your device. For restart your device, press and hold power button and then swipe up to restart your device. After doing these steps, your problem will be fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.